gentlemen, the fasten seatbelt sign is still on. When our captain turns the sign off, you may then move about the cabin. Please keep your seatbelt fastened all times while seated, and also take care when you open the overhead compartments. Best choose the lavatories located in your ticketed cabin, and please refrain from congregating around the lavatories and galleys. It's a nice view of the strip there on the left-hand side. If you are seated in the main cabin, there are 2 restrooms in the back of the aircraft. We want to welcome our Mileage Plus members who are earning valuable award miles for today's flight. To become a member, visit United.com. We're proud to be a founding member of the Star Alliance, offering our customers more destinations than any other alliance in the world. A copy of the Skywalk catalog is in your seat back pocket.